Welcome to GATE 2021 model questions on control systems. Today's our topic is block diagrams. Let us see the question number 3. A block diagram of a control system is shown in the figure. Find C1 of S by C2 of S. So this is the block diagram shown and these are the options given below. Let us go for the solution. In this block diagram, they are asking for us to find C1 of S by C2 of S. That will be determining in terms of input. That is expressing in terms of input. C1 by R divided by C2 by R. These two calculations, C1 by R and C2 by R, will find using Mason's-Kane formula. And the denominator part delta will be independent of input and output, which remains same in both the calculations, C1 by R as well as C2 by R. Only the numerator part P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 only changes depending upon the input and output. In the first calculation, C1 by R, R is the input and output is C1. How many forward paths we have from R to C1 is only one forward path gain is there, that is S into 1 by S. For delta 1 calculation, we should know that at least the loops. How many loops we have? It is one loop is S into 1 by S into minus 1. Another loop gain is S into 1 by S square into minus 1, and both are touched. In forming this forward path gain, both the loop gains are touched with each other. Hence delta 1 is 1. Hence this answer will be 1 by delta. Similarly, if you want to find C2 by R, input is R, output will be now C2. How many forward paths we have from R to C2 is only one forward path gain, that is S into 1 by S square. In forming this forward path gain also, both the loops are touched, hence delta 1 will be 1. Hence this answer will be 1 by S divided by delta. Therefore, what will be C1 by C2 is C1 by R divided by C2 by R. C1 by R we got it as 1 by delta. C2 by R we got it as 1 by S divided by delta. And this will give the answer as S. Hence, your correct option is D. Thank you very much.